Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the battery on your Dyson SV10 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can extend the life of your device. Let's dive into the necessary steps. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having these tools at hand will make the process smoother. Begin by disconnecting your Dyson SV10 from the charger. Make sure the device is turned off. This is crucial for your safety during the battery replacement. Next, locate the screws at the back of the vacuum. Using your Torx T15 screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 4 screws that hold the battery cover in place. As you remove each screw, place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it feels stuck. Once the cover is off, you will see the battery secured in its compartment. Now, disconnect the battery by pulling the connector gently. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. If you're unsure or feel uncomfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the old battery removed, it's time to clean the internal compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure your new battery fits properly and functions effectively. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the vacuum. Make sure it clicks into place securely. If you don't have the tools or prefer assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls. After connecting the new battery, replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Tighten them just enough to hold the cover in place, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Finally, reconnect your Dyson SV10 to the charger. Allow the battery to charge fully before using it again. Before you start using your vacuum, remember, we provide a quote before repair if you need further assistance or additional services. This concludes the battery replacement process for your Dyson SV10. Following these steps will help ensure your vacuum runs efficiently for a longer time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.